Boba ba dito? O ibang
Kain tayo sa ano?
Yeah, Boba's real.
Sa Binondo.
Swifty, Taylor
No,
Swift.
they call it different, Jimson,
Yeah,
not boba. They don't call it boba here.
Sobrang boba.
Di ba?
You know,
Ay
boba?
sa anong may mga ano doon dito.
Anong boba? Anong tawag dito? Yung mga pearl, di ba?
The milk tea with
Milk tea?
Milk tea with
Zago?
pearl.
Tapioca
Ano?
pearls.
Oh, yun,
sabi ko
gano'n. Ano tawag sa
Ano
atin
gusto
dito?
nila?
Oo, gusto nila nga. Pero
Easy,
Naghahanap sila ng boba. Sabi ko lang naman, iba
Yeah,
naman ang
come
tawag
on,
dito.
there's
hindi
like
naman
gongcha.
boba.
Kala ko yung iba yung bobang alam ko.
Have you heard of Gongcha?
Gongcha, okay, okay.
What is that called?
Meron din sa festival ko yun.
oo,
Yeah,
asan
what-
nga doon?
what is it?
Naikot-ikot na.
Hindi
What
nyo
is-
alam. Ay, sayang.
Is there a different name?
Meron pa. Ano pa ba? Si Jello kung mahilig siya eh. Imperial.
Pero anong tawag na anong klaseng inumin yun?
Inom-inom.
Milk tea.
Milk tea. Oh,
Milk tea.
Milk tea
Milk tea
yung
with
Jimson,
pearl.
it's not boba.
Milk tea.
It's what the trend.
May zago with
Ayun.
pearl.
Sabi ko
ganun.
yung
Sagu.
sagi, nagilala ko sagi.
Pearl.
Kasi hindi naman masarap ang sago, di ba?
Hindi na. Pero
Hindi mo kasi masarap.
It's
Hindi
what
mo
they
narinig
know.
yung
gusto
pearl
ko rin
nila.
ng sago. Kaya lang
Nasaan na tayo, Kirino?
Kirino
Tap.
is...
Ah,
ano
tap
na?
na
Tap
ito?
na ba to?
Ayan, pag tap.
Iling ka na.
Ah,
Petro Hills.
Yun ang
Station.
Pedro Hill. Pero,
Can they see outside? Can they see us inside?
Now.
Ang bilis natin, no? Tinan mo 20 minutes.
This
Is that
cruise-
like every car? Because it looks like
Yan
it.
ang kakandidatong
No,
president.
we can't see it.
Oh.
Welcome, Ferdinand Martin.
Talaga?
Oo. Kababayan mo yun.
Sino? Taga Leyte.
Yan, oo.
Sinong vice?
Yun ang di ko alam. Yun ang yan ni BPM.
Meron.
First
Kasi,
cousin niya yan eh.
hindi. Baka naman kamag-anak, hindi nila kamag-anak.
Kamag-anak
Nanay.
niya yan.
nanay,
Sa
Romualdez.
nanay.
Romualdez kay
Meron.
Imelda. Di ba
Imelda.
taga-ano yan? Leyte?
Ayan ba yung na-interview na
Meron.
speaker? Hindi dahil
Sure.
hindi ka dilaw. Naalala mo yung kay Marojas?
Oh, kapatid niya. Kapatid niya si yung mayor ng
Leyte.
asawa ni Cristina Gonzalez.
Nang.
Oh, yan yun.
Oo.
Nang.
Romualdez.
Do you just say random Filipino
Hindi
words?
naman kasi si BBM ang mayor ngayon. Parang si yung asawa, no?
It's better than nothing.
Si
Oh,
Lisa.
yun ang sinasabi,
Si Lisa.
nagpapatakbo
Try
sa
to
Lisa.
explain to me that
Si
you can't,
Liza Araneta.
can't speak Tagalog.
Hindi Tagalog. Marunong ka.
Tagalog.
So,
Here we
No.
are, Quirino Station.
but how do you say
No
bye?
hablas English.
Okay.
Quirino, mate.
Ah.
Ayan na, oh, malapit
Oh,
ang
dito
school
yung
mo.
bus dati, di ba?
Yes, Pedro
Bumili ko.
Hill.
Ano natin yan, Eyak na.
Madadaanan natin.
Dadaanan natin.
Ewan ko,
Tingnan
parang
mo
hindi ko
kung
na
meron
alam
pa.
yun na school.
Tingnan
Para
ko.
makita nila kung saan
Meron
nag-aaral
silang volleyball eh.
Tingnan ko, tingnan ko.
Sige, tingnan mo.
Di tayo sasayang something.
Ha?
Tingnan mo.
Tingnan mo.
Ganda
Tingnan
ni
mo kung andyan pa yung ano niya.
You're so beautiful.
Oh, this is ano, Women's
You're
University.
prettier.
Oo.
No. Hindi.
Hindi, Philippine
pa.
Christian.
Philippine Christian.
Philippine Christian.
Dito siya nag-aral si Pip.
East-West.
PCU.
Philippine Christian.
University.
Ito ang Women's University.
Ito,
Oh, yan na.
PWU.
Oh,
It used to be school for girls only. And then,
Yeah, this one.
ngayon may mga lalaki na kaya nga tinawag na Philippine Women's eh.
Oo nga, may lalaki na dyan.
May lalaki.
Where'd you go?
na-
Yeah, I go Philippines.
Yeah.
Sweden.
Parang ano,
Philippine Women's
Estudyante.
Oh, ayan.
He's wearing off-white. What? That's like
And then this one,
£100.
This one is PCU.
Ay, napala Philippine Christian.
Dito si Pip nag-aral.
Tingnan mo yan, nakalagay Scottish Rite.
Tapos,
This is nightmare. This is nightmarish.
yeah,
Manila
literally,
Science
that kid
muna.
was looking the wrong direction. He just
Manila
touched the
Science
car.
muna.
Yeah.
Manila Doctors.
The first 2 lanes are taken
Doon sa
up
may
by
UN Avenue.
Anong course mo, paring Pip?
programming.
Ay, computer ka pala. Magaling sa computer.
Excellent.
Dapat pala ikaw nagturo sa akin paano mag-computer eh, no?
Oo, tama.
Ay, kaya na, layo ng alabang eh.
Parang wala na talaga yun. Mike.
Meron pa doon pa.
School niya.
Papasok,
Iyak.
papasok naman ang EYAC kasi.
Papasok pa.
Looban.
Oo, hindi talaga kanto.
Looban siya.
Sa UN, turo ko sa'yo.
Manila.
This is
Where,
my
where,
ano,
where?
Jewel.
This is
Gibson.
Manila.
This is my university.
Same.
Oh, really? Mirasol building.
This is my territory.
Ganyan din ba sa UK? Hindi.
Yeah. We have university in the middle of the city.
Look at those wires.
So Manchester
Look at
University.
those power lines.
Nasa Manchester ka na ba? Ano?
Yeah.
Studying?
Yeah, Manchester University.
Manchester.
It's supposed to be very prestigious, but my classmates have no brain.
Your classmates have
Ba't
no
mo, prestigious school eh. Oh?
Because it's really easy for me to get a first, which shouldn't be possible.
But you,
They've got filet of fish at
Like-
KFC.
you are intelligent boy.
First eyesight, ibig sabihin yung parang
50 pesos.
97 to 100%
Ang alin?
ang grade.
Saan? Doon?
Yeah.
Sinasabi niyang first.
Ah, okay. Eh, siya yun. Ganun.
No.
Wow, very good.
He works on an angle.
Our pass mark is 40%. That's how you know it's bad. So,
It's the same as mine when I was in it.
You're an
Oh, is it?
intelligent.
Yeah,
40%?
40%. Yeah.
No, ito yung ano naman, no, di ba? Yung
GH.
GH na ba to? O yung UP Manila.
Oh, UP
So bad.
Manila. Oo. PGH din.
Grabe, para tayong...
Ilang taong ka bago ka nakarating ulit
Nakapunta
dito?
ulit ako na ano naman ng perpetual. Dito lang yun. Kasi nga diba nag-ano ko ng
You're never gonna
requirements.
guess.
Kailangan ko
Oh, she
mag-research
reposted.
ng TOR.
Nice! Naalala. Ay, Jem, naalala ko nung
Yeah, the
nagkita
girl
tayo
likes
dyan sa
something like
Sartesa.
Kasama mo boyfriend mo.
Ilang yan. Kasi nagulat talaga ako kay Jem.
Let me tell.
Sabi niya boyfriend niya. Sa Manila Times.
Basic.
Oo, sa Times. Sa Times, tapat ng perpetual. Hindi na tayo mag-experience sa Jem.
Yeah, Las Piñas.
Taga to kasi yun eh, sa
L
BF.
plus J.
Sa Las Piñas. Nandun siya sa BF. Ano ka ba? BF Homes Times.
Yeah.
Like, Sophia
BF
was
Homes.
keeping it on the group.
Oo.
Really
Yata
basta
doon.
science.
No,
I don't like
Isa.
to.
Hapon yun eh.
Well, I just thought it was a joke. Like,
Oh, Manila Science High
Tapos
School.
sunod yan, EYAC na.
She
Asa na
reposted
Eyak?
today.
Ayan, yung building na yan.
Hot girl summer in quotation.
Oh, malaki ng
Not
Dati
me,
Manila
guys.
Science.
Wow,
Ayun,
di ba?
super cool.
Maganda.
lahat na ng science eh meron.
To your right will be my university, Emilio Aguinaldo College.
Oh, yeah, I've seen your certificate. So wait, this is Metro Manila. Wait, what?
Yeah, it's Manila.
Manila.
Metro Manila.
Can you not tell the
This is
traffic?
the
So
Ah.
traffic.
diba? Capital ng Philippines.
So wait, what do Filipinos call this place?
Manila.
Just Manila.
Maynila.
Huh?
Maynila.
Maynila.
M-A-Y.
Yeah, there's a Y
There's
Maynila
Y.
is
Maynila.
Manila.
in between.
Manila.
Maynila is
Really?
The second
Oh,
repost.
saan ang NBI?
NBI dito. Ayun,
Can I call it
NBI.
Central Manila?
City of Manila.
Just Maynila.
Ano yung ano?
Metro. Metro Maynila?
Metro Manila.
Metro Manila.
there. That's my school.
Where is it?
Oh guys!
Ano sa
Basta.
Makdo?
Yeah,
Ayaw
to
nga
the right.
dito.
Oh, that. That's
That's where we normally magstay.
Malapit sa Manila, Med?
Makati, Manila, med dito sa kaliwa.
They went to
niya?
school subway.
No. That's the hospital I work with.
Where's the university then?
Going there.
It's
going
inside.
there.
It's
Oh.
the remotest part of the world.
Manila, Med. Nakapagpa-check up din
Manila, med dito sa Pakanan.
si nanay.
Bakit naman dahil pala talagang tao na.
Yung minsan dyan, no? Dyan sa tapat. Anong school nga yan, Aisa?
Ang alin?
Yung sa high school na yan, yung sa kanan natin.
Santa Isabel?
Hindi.
Metro Manila.
Ano?
That. Read it. Just read it.
Ha? Yan nga. Ano, Adamson? Ano? Adamson?
Yes
papasok
or no?
ka?
say
Manila Doctors?
Taft Avenue. They'll know it's in Manila.
Manila
Who is it?
doctors nga.
No, it's
Manila Doctors
she's
ba?
British.
Map.
In Manila.
Ah!
City of Manila. Just say City of Manila.
That's like saying City of Piccadilly. It's City of
of Manila.
Manchester. That doesn't make sense.
Or
I
in
just say
Manila.
Piccadilly.
Manila is just say in City of Manila. Sige, Manila.
Manchester.
Metro or
Yeah, Metro
Metro
Manila.
Manila.
Metro Manila.
I'm sorry. Yeah, okay, thank you.
It's much more easier.
Oh my back.
Ngayon ang papasok.
I just thought it was too funny.
Sana ang ayusin dito yung mga wire, yung sa mga kuryente.
How do you do that? That's so strange.
Sabagay na. Para
We thought you had to take photos.
Bababa
Why
na sa
didn't-
magano, tapos puno pa, no?